Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of struggling with tiny on-screen keyboards while working on the go, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 6 foldable Bluetooth keyboards that combine portability, comfort, and productivity in one compact package. Whether you use a tablet, smartphone, or laptop, these keyboards are designed to help you type faster and work smarter without carrying bulky gear. Let's dive in and find the perfect travel companion for your setup. Coming up next is the Nilkin upgraded Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with touchpad and number pad is a versatile portable keyboard designed for travelers, remote workers, and mobile productivity users who need a compact yet functional typing solution. Its foldable design allows it to collapse into a pocket-sized form for easy transport, while still providing full-size keys, an integrated touchpad, and a dedicated number pad when unfolded. In real-world use, the keyboard delivers a comfortable typing experience for emails, documents, and general productivity tasks on tablets, smartphones, and laptops. The ability to connect and switch between up to 3 devices via Bluetooth adds significant convenience for users working across multiple platforms. Build quality is solid for a travel-focused accessory, with a durable folding mechanism and stable key layout that feels more refined than many compact keyboards. Compared with standard portable Bluetooth keyboards, the Nilkin stands out by combining a touchpad, number pad, and multi-device support in a highly portable package. Pros: compact foldable design for travel, integrated touchpad and number pad, and support for connecting up to 3 devices. Cons: smaller layout may require an adjustment period. Touchpad functionality can vary depending on the operating system, and it is less comfortable for prolonged typing sessions than a full-size desktop keyboard. Overall, it offers excellent functionality and value for users who frequently work on the go, making it a strong recommendation for travelers, students, and professionals seeking a portable, all-in-one keyboard solution. Coming up next is the Samsers Foldable Keyboard and Mouse Combo is a versatile and travel-friendly productivity set designed for users who need a compact workspace solution across multiple devices. The package includes a foldable full-size Bluetooth keyboard and a rechargeable wireless mouse, offering support for 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity and dual Bluetooth 5.0 connections, making it easy to switch between Windows, Android, iOS, and macOS devices. In real-world use, the keyboard provides a comfortable typing experience for emails, documents, and remote work, while the included mouse delivers smooth navigation for everyday productivity tasks. The foldable design significantly enhances portability, allowing the keyboard to fit easily into bags or backpacks without sacrificing key spacing. Build quality is solid for a travel-focused accessory, and the elegant black finish gives the combo a professional appearance. Compared with many portable keyboard bundles, the Samsers combo stands out by including both a rechargeable mouse and multi-device connectivity, offering greater convenience for users who frequently switch between devices. Pros: highly portable foldable design, supports multiple devices and connection modes, and includes a rechargeable wireless mouse. Cons: smaller layout may require an adjustment period, not as comfortable as a full desktop keyboard for extended use, and the mouse is better suited for productivity than precision gaming. Overall, it offers excellent value for money and is a great choice for travelers, students, remote workers, and business professionals seeking a compact and reliable keyboard and mouse solution for productivity on the go. Coming up next is the Targus Ergonomic Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard, PKF IRLO 302US, is a thoughtfully designed portable keyboard that combines travel-friendly portability with ergonomic comfort, making it ideal for mobile professionals, students, and remote workers. Its pocket-sized foldable design allows it to be easily carried in a bag or backpack. while the split ergonomic key layout promotes a more natural hand position that can help reduce strain during extended typing sessions. In real-world use, the keyboard delivers a comfortable and responsive typing experience for emails, document editing, and general productivity tasks across smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Multi-device Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless switching between compatible devices, adding convenience for users who work across multiple platforms. The inclusion of DefenseGuard antimicrobial protection is a unique feature that helps inhibit the growth of microorganisms on the keyboard surface, making it appealing for frequent travelers and shared work environments. Build quality is solid, with a durable folding mechanism and a professional-looking design. Compared with standard foldable keyboards, the Targus stands out through its ergonomic split layout and hygiene-focused protection, though users accustomed to traditional keyboards may need some time to adapt. Pros: ergonomic split key design for improved comfort, compact foldable form factor, and multi-device Bluetooth connectivity. Cons: learning curve for users new to ergonomic keyboards, lacks an integrated touchpad, and smaller size may not suit intensive all-day typing. Overall, it offers excellent portability, comfort, and functionality, making it a strong choice for anyone seeking a travel-friendly keyboard that prioritizes ergonomics and productivity. Coming up next is the Omoton Foldable Keyboard, is a compact and practical wireless typing solution designed for users who need portability without sacrificing full-size functionality, making it suitable for travel, remote work, and office use. It features a rechargeable Bluetooth design with support for up to 3 devices, allowing seamless switching between iPad, iPhone, Android, Windows, and macOS systems. In real-world use, the keyboard performs reliably for emails, document editing, and general productivity tasks, while the integrated number pad adds extra convenience for data entry and office work. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry in a bag, yet when unfolded it provides a surprisingly spacious typing layout compared to many ultra-compact alternatives. Build quality is solid for a travel-focused accessory, with a professional black finish that suits both casual and business environments. Compared with other foldable keyboards like Samsers or Nilkin models, the Omoton stands out for including a dedicated number pad and stable multi-device switching, though it may feel slightly less compact when folded. Pros: full-size layout with number pad, supports up to 3 devices, and rechargeable Bluetooth convenience. Cons: fold mechanism may take time to get used to, slightly bulkier than ultra-slim folding keyboards, and lacks advanced features like a built-in touchpad. Overall, it offers strong value for productivity-focused users who need a portable yet functional keyboard, making it a solid choice for students, professionals, and frequent travelers who prioritize typing efficiency over ultra-minimal size. Coming up next is the iClever Foldable Keyboard with Touchpad BK08 is a compact tri-folding Bluetooth keyboard designed for users who need a portable yet functional typing and navigation solution across multiple devices. It supports pairing with up to 3 devices and is compatible with iPad, iPhone, Android, Windows, and macOS, making it a flexible option for travel and remote productivity. In real-world use, it performs well for emails, note-taking, document editing, and light office work, while the integrated touchpad reduces the need for an external mouse and improves convenience in mobile setups. The trifold design makes it highly portable, allowing it to fit easily into bags or even larger pockets when folded, though it still expands into a reasonably comfortable typing layout when in use. Build quality is solid for a travel-focused keyboard with a sturdy folding mechanism and a clean black finish that feels professional and modern. Compared with similar foldable keyboards like Samsers or Omoton models, the iClever BK08 stands out by including a built-in touchpad in a more compact trifold form factor, though its key spacing can feel tight during extended typing sessions. Pros: built-in touchpad for added convenience, ultra-portable trifold design, and support for up to 3 devices. Cons: smaller key layout may require adjustment, touchpad responsiveness can vary by operating system, and it is less comfortable for long, continuous typing compared to full-size keyboards. Overall, it offers excellent portability and functionality, making it a strong recommendation for travelers, students, and remote workers who want an all-in-one compact keyboard solution for productivity on the go. Now the last is the ProtoArc Foldable Compact Keyboard Lex K04. Is a pocket-sized Bluetooth keyboard designed for users who need ultra-portable typing on smartphones and tablets while traveling or working remotely. It features a foldable design with a pew leather cover that adds a premium feel and extra protection when stored in a bag or pocket. In real-world use, it performs well for light productivity tasks such as emails, messaging, note-taking, and document editing, while its ability to connect to up to 3 devices makes switching between phone, tablet, and laptop quick and convenient. The compact layout prioritizes portability over full-size comfort, but it still provides a usable typing experience for short to medium sessions. Build quality is decent for its size class, and the leather-style exterior helps it stand out from more basic plastic folding keyboards. Compared with similar ultra-compact keyboards like Samsers or iClever models, the ProtoArc XK04 is more focused on minimal size and portability rather than integrated features like a touchpad or larger number row. Pros: extremely compact pocket-sized design, pew leather protective cover for durability and style, and support for 3-device Bluetooth switching. Cons: smaller keys reduce comfort for long typing sessions, no built-in touchpad or number pad, and less suitable for heavy daily typing workloads. Overall, it delivers strong value for users who prioritize maximum portability and basic productivity, making it a good choice for travelers, students, and mobile professionals who mainly need a lightweight typing solution on the go.